is a really windy day right now. Look over there. Whoa, just zoom in, and one of them is gonna fall. That dog, look. It almost fell. You shouldn't saw it. Look, it's moving a little bit. It might even fall. Santa is normal because it's small. Well, yeah. Whoa, did I just zoom in into my face? Yeah, so today, clearly can't see, it's a windy day. Not just a windy day, it's also kind of windy. Look, there's a puddle right over there. But not just that, there's more puddles. Yeah. And look, that's my grass. It's growing. I bet there's going to be carrots. Maybe there's going to be carrots or vegetables. I don't know. But look, they're growing. They might even grow into a tree. What if they grow into a bush like that bush? Maybe they're going to grow into a tree like that. Long tree. Yeah, there is a tree that actually is about to fall, and I'm gonna show you. It's right over there. I have to zoom in for this. Whoa, why doesn't it zoom in? Okay, zooming in. So right over, wait, where is it again? Okay, there it is. Whoa, wait, no, I just stepped on it. I just stepped on my grass. I want to. Look, it's like over there. As you can see, it's falling, it's tipping over. It's tipping over. See, it doesn't go straight. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I gotta go in. I gotta go in. Close the door, close the door. Oh my god. Well, that was a long one. Oh my god. Can't you believe that? Oh my god. That was so scary. Well, it was really windy, so I'm gonna lock the door. And guys, it's my lucky channel, it's not mine. Once again, it's not mine. It's my lucky channel. I just want to do a little cloud outside, but it's actually really windy. It might even blow me. It could, because first of all, I'm a kid, and kids are small, and I'm not, and I don't eat too much, so I'm skinny. So I'm gonna go. So that's why I got in, and I locked the door. Well, it's not gonna get in. Well, good thing the windows are not open; they're closed. So, peace out. Bye. It's my channel. It's not mine. Okay, bye.